Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the NL command. It stands for number lines, and it does just that. Hand the NL command a file like this, and it will number all of the colors in this colors file. If you want to save the output, you can just redirect it to another file, like that, and now we'll have that as well. You can also use the NL command to number the lines in command output. So say I do something like this and pass that to NL. You can see I show the current month with each line in the output numbered. Another thing you can do with NL is list file names with numbers. So if I want to list all of my JPEG files, but I want to give them numbers, I can just do this. And now I have 13 files, and each one is listed with a number. Well, that is your Linux tip for the NL command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.